Alright skincare lovers, listen up. I'm about to turn 44 and to celebrate my birthday, I am giving away 5 ampoules of the Calecim Professional Serum, each worth $100 or if you're in the UK, around about 80 quid. Now 5 winners will win a bottle of my Holy Grail serum. No jokes, like I would literally go without food before I go without this. Now, this serum has literally replaced like 99.9% of my other topicals, including retinol, because the results are just straight up superior to anything that I tried before, and without any of the typical irritation. Now, if you've never heard of this one, where have you been? Here's why it's my go-to. Calecim contains PTT6, which is a powerhouse blend of over 3,000 growth factors, cytokines, and exosomes from cord-lining stem cells. Think red deer-derived, ethically sourced technology. In lab data, it increased skin density 6-fold, boosted elastin by 56%, and ramped up hyaluronic acid production by 83%. On aging, sensitized, or post-treatment skin, it helps to firm, soften texture, and reinforce barrier function, without dryness or peeling, just visible strength and resilience. Users, high, and professionals, also high, love it for dramatic collagen-driven improvements, smoother texture, and glow that lasts beyond 1 or 2 bottles. This right here is a legit clinical grade serum for daily aging skin support. If you've never tried this and you are a more mature skin type like myself, you really want to give this a go. And if you've already tried it, then you're gonna know just how amazing this stuff is. So here's how to enter. To be in with a chance of winning one of these 5 ampoules, like this video, be subscribed to my channel, and comment in 30 words or less why you want Calecim serum. Like what aging concern you'd use it for and what you'd replace in your routine. And if you want double entries, simply follow me on Instagram and comment on the giveaway post I've linked in the description box. Entries close August 31st. I will randomly pick winners on a live and I'll contact you directly. Now this giveaway, it isn't sponsored or endorsed by YouTube or Instagram. And if you want to get your hands on some of this and you don't want to wait for the giveaway, orders placed using the link that I've provided along with my code will score you the best discount for this so far. It's been an amazing 5 years with you guys, and I'm so happy that some of my absolute favorite brands have been good enough to gift me some of these products to give away to you guys as a way to say thank you for all of your support. I really do appreciate you. Anyway, that's it. So get your entries in and I'll see you soon. Bye.